Science surprising us once again. Listen to this. A study finds cracking your knuckles is actually good for you. My grandma's got to hear this because she used to tell me to never do this. Researchers looked at the ultrasounds of 400 knuckles to find out what exactly goes on inside a joint when it's cracked. They say those who crack their knuckles had increased flexibility after doing it. Scientists think when you crack your knuckles, you pull apart two surfaces of the joint. Still doesn't sound good, but that action releases pressure so your fingers stay flexible.